Many educators face challenges with student engagement and collaboration. Are your students feeling disconnected in their learning? A cooperative learning method that empowers students to learn and teach each other. With Jigsaw, students collaborate effectively and enhance their understanding. Students are divided into groups to enhance collaborative learning. Each group focuses on a specific part of the material for deeper understanding. Students teach their peers, reinforcing their own knowledge and improving communication skills. This approach fosters a sense of community and encourages active participation in the learning process. Unlock the potential of collaborative learning. Foster a community of engaged learners. Encourages collaboration among peers, fostering teamwork and shared learning experiences. Enhances communication skills, allowing students to articulate their thoughts and questions effectively. Promotes accountability, helping individuals take responsibility for their learning and contributions. Facilitates a deeper understanding of the material, leading to better retention and application of knowledge. Jigsaw. Implement it today and transform your classroom dynamics. Get started.